Here's my little small grill that I've been working with here in Battle Creek, Michigan. But look what my children got me for Mother's Day. Ah! I can't wait to grill. Ooh.
You're grilling right now?
No, not now. My hair is gonna come and help me on Sunday to grill. I'm gonna be able to get all my meat at one time on this grill. You remember when I grilled in Georgia and I was just carrying on about my daughter's grill? And look what I got. Look what I got as a Mother's Day present from my children. Woo! I already got my meat. I bought my meat last week at Myers. They had slabs of rib, the pork ribs, spare ribs, for $1.99 a pound. I got some chicken wings. I got some country spare ribs. I got hot dogs. I'm gonna do some hamburgers. Woo, look at it. It's all shiny up, no rust on it.
What's that for this?
And my neighbor, Tony, he got me the cover for it. It's an awesome cover. I'll show you when I cover it back up. But yeah. Don't touch that. You get that on your hand. Yeah, that one's rusting out.
When you first got that one, it was all clean.
Yeah, it was all clean when I first got that one. Yeah. Hera wants to know when I'm going to grill. You like ribs, Hera? I'm going to make her some homemade ice cream also for Memorial Day. For the holiday. She likes homemade ice cream too. All right. Y'all stay tuned. Sunday is grill day. You see, I got my grill all covered. Got a nice cover to protect it. So, wow, I'm getting ready to grill on Sunday. For Memorial Day, I like to grill and have my food all prepared so the holiday I can just wake up and enjoy it.